Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. 2025 Holden Torana concept car. This iconic Australian muscle car is back, but with a twist. Let's see how Holden is blending classic muscle car spirit with modern technology. The 2025 Torana concept stuns with a design that pays homage to its heritage while embracing the future. The low-slung, aggressive stance evokes memories of the original muscle car, but the sleek lines and sharp angles give it a contemporary feel. The iconic Holden grille takes center stage, flanked by LED headlights that add a futuristic touch. This is a muscle car for the modern age, designed to turn heads wherever it goes. Holden throws a knockout punch with the 2025 Torana's electric powertrain. This isn't your grandpa's muscle car. Expect a powerful electric motor that delivers instant torque and exhilarating acceleration, all while maintaining the roar of a true performance machine through cleverly implemented electric sound generation. This is a bold statement from Holden, proving that muscle cars can have a sustainable future. The Torana concept's interior is a driver's paradise. A minimalist and high-tech layout keeps the focus on the driving experience. A heads-up display relays essential information, while a wraparound touchscreen controls the infotainment system. High-quality materials and comfortable seating ensure a luxurious feel, even as you push this electric beast to its limits. Modern technology, the minimalist interior is packed with cutting-edge tech, keeping the driver engaged and informed. Holden heritage, the iconic design elements pay homage to the Torana's legacy, creating a car that excites both classic muscle car fans and future-oriented. Thanks for watching.